China's economy just said, "I'm tired, boss." And when the world's second largest economy takes a nap, global markets spill their coffee. Relax. No panic. But yes, this matters. China's latest data shows slower factory output, weaker retail sales, and soft consumer demand. In simple words, people are spending less, factories are producing less, and growth is losing steam. China isn't just another economy. It's the world's factory, a massive buyer of oil, metals, and goods, and a key engine of global growth. So when China slows down, countries exporting to China feel it. Commodity prices wobble, and global growth forecasts start sweating. What's causing the slowdown? A property crunch that just won't leave. Households are saving more and spending less, dampening demand. Exports are under pressure as global demand stays weak. And stimulus? Each new dose packs less punch. Net effect: property drag, cautious consumers, softer exports, and fading stimulus. Together, they cool growth. From Asia to Europe to emerging markets, a slower China means lower trade momentum, pressure on developing economies, more uncertainty for 2026 growth outlooks. Basically, when China sneezes, the global economy checks WebMD. If you want global economy news explained without headaches and with common sense, follow Econmatrix for daily global economy updates in 30 seconds.